How to download DaVinci Resolve. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser on your PC, and then in the search bar, simply search for DaVinci Resolve. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first link that says blackmagicdesign.com. It's the official page, so you want to go ahead and simply scroll below once you are inside this kind of website, and then you'll be able to find an option that says DaVinci Resolve Free Download Now. Go ahead and tap on it, and then select your device. Once you select your device, you want to go ahead and simply fill in your details right over here, and then simply tap on Register and Download. Once you tap on it, the downloading will automatically get started on your PC. Also, make sure your PC has enough storage for DaVinci Resolve to get installed. So once you download DaVinci Resolve, you want to go ahead and simply double tap on the download and then follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process on your PC. And just like that, you'll then be able to download DaVinci Resolve on your PC. And that is the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.